Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add uh, reviews to your document created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the Office website, and as you can see, you have the option to select from these templates after tapping on the Word button. If you want to make a document, select the template and start customizing your text, and after that you should tap on this editing button at the top and click on reviewing to add comments and suggestions. So just simply tap on this button and then you can type in your comment into this section at the top. And basically that's it. Here you can find it. If you tap on it, you can accept or reject the suggestion by tapping on the check mark or the X icon. So basically that's it for this video, guys. That's how you can add these reviews. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.